So I got the I found this printer at CVS for 20 bucks, which is crazy. Canon printer. I was going to go, I made $30 this month on Amazon selling on my self-publishing. So I made $30 approximately, a little bit over actually. And I went to buy a book, just to write one of those, like a tablet book, which is like, I thought $7 or $8. That's a story in and of itself. But I saw this for 20 bucks, and I was like, I've got 30 bucks. Anyway, I ended up getting this for 20 bucks. I figured, what a deal. That's crazy. It's not all in one, it's just a printer, but that's really all I need. So, oh, it's upside down or something. Oh, okay, there's the cartridge, ink, there's the power cord, there's the other, that's the black one, so black, color, power cord. Now, obviously I would have liked to have gotten one where it had the 3 individual colors, but for 20 bucks, you can buy a whole new printer system for cheaper than you used to buy the ink. So, I like software. Okay, there's a little styrofoamy thing, throw that away. Another styrofoamy thing, throw that away. $20. Throw that away. Throw that away. Here's the software, which I will probably need, obviously. You never know, but. Okay, instructions, software, let's see what it says. Mac, that's Windows only, so it doesn't really matter. My computer will probably recognize it. Okay, so we got there's that. Okay, let's see where the... Well, that's the... It fits, so that's cool. Of course, I'm going to have to read the instructions on how to put the... I assume the ink comes in here somewhere. Oh, okay, there that comes out. I assume that one's color and the one's black and white, but I don't know which one's which. I'll have to read the book. I may have to actually read the instructions. Woo! Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, I got that part. Which one's the killer? Flashing. Okay, well anyway, I'll end the video there because there's the printer. I gotta read which one's color and which one's black and white. Oh, it says right here, color black and white. I'll just do it then. It's right there. If I could just read the instructions. Bleh. Let's see which way it goes. This is a different window. Okay, it goes in. Oh, okay, yeah, tilt it in. Maybe. Ah, okay. Okay, boom. Now I'm gonna have to plug it in, so I'm gonna have to get behind the desk, and that's anyway. So I've got that figured out. Haha. Throw that away, throw that away, throw that away. Save that, pitch that. I don't think I'm gonna need that, but I'll save it just in case. So until next time.